Ako naman, Mindy. Paano? How can I finish naman what I'm doing if you're there? Look at my baby. Wherever I go, you go too. Wherever I sit, you sit too. Ayan po. Ganyan ang ginagawa niyan. So, paano ko naman matapos itong aking ginagawa? How can I finish it, Mindy? You're there. Baby. Kasi she's scared of the, it's windy today. So, she's a bit scared of the sound of the wind. You're sleepy, baby. It's 12 o'clock.